Thank you for joining me once again on my Quantum Analytics project presentation. Here is Project 9, where I analyze shark attacks data using Power BI. The total number of victims, 5075. Total sharks activities, 1,446 across 195 countries in 394 locations. There were over 6,000 reported cases, and there are 5 major sharks attack types. Looking at the trend of reported cases by year, you can see the trend moving from 293 attacks or reported cases to about 83 reported cases. Also, reported cases by month moved from 626 in July to about 387 in February. The top 3 countries with the most reported attacks are the USA, Australia, and South Africa. And we can see their corresponding statistics from 2158, 19, 1302, and 370. In the US, being the country with the most reported attack, the top 10 areas, we have Florida topping the charts with 1,015 and South Carolina with 150 attacks. Looking at the proportion of attacks by gender, there is not much disparity between male and female, and also attack types by fatality. There is not much difference between those who had fatal injuries and those who had none. Still going back to using slicers, I'm going to click on both. That is, those who were attacked by sharks when they were on a boat. So after clicking that, we can see that the statistics changed immediately. So for both attacks, we had 281 victims from 100 activities across 40 countries in 267 locations, and there were 312 reported cases. Now, looking at the top 3 countries with the most reported boat attacks, that is, those who were attacked when they were on a boat: Australia, US, and South Africa. And we can also see their corresponding statistics. So Australia tops the charts for victims who were attacked by sharks when they were on the boat. Let me see whether I can use another slicer. If I use provoked, that is, those who kind of provoked the sharks, okay? So using provoked, I have 495 victims from 217 activities across 63 countries from 477 locations. There were 562 reported cases. So you can see again, whenever I change the slicer, information on the dashboard changes immediately. And the top 3 countries for those who had provoked attacks are the USA, Australia, and South Africa. Again, you can see that every statistics here also changed accordingly. So thank you so much for listening. Again, this is Project 9 of my Sharks Attacks data set. Please don't go away. I'll be right back with my Project 10 presentation. Thank you so much for listening. I'll be right back.